Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, back again. How's your day? I hope you will. I hope you have a good day and stay healthy. Back again with me, Faras, at the channel Kisco and Microtic with me, Faras. As you know, we will discuss the material about. We will continue the material about CCNA, and I hope you will understand the material. So, if you have any question, you can asking in the comments column. Okay, in this lab we will discuss about VTP in generally, and we are make the lab or configuration at Kisco packet tracer. Okay, I will explain you about VTP first. VTP is VLAN trunking protocol is Kisco proprietary. As you know, Kisco proprietary just have in Kisco. If you wanna config VTP at Microtik or any vendor, you can find it. Why? Because this is a Kisco proprietary. Okay, that deploy definition virtual local area network VLAN across local network to this careless VLAN information to all switch in the VTP domain. By using VTP, VLAN configuration only need to be done on one switch, namely that server switch. By and VTP is divided into three types modes, namely, as you can see, VTP in Kisco divided in three types. Okay, first is VTP server. As you can see on your screen, I make this lab. This is example for the VTP server. Also, we know this switch is central for other switch. This is we can add, edit, and remove configuration. And after we configuration, the information of the configuration we will forwarding to other switch, or also we know VTP client. This is VTP client, guys. Okay, second is VTP transparent. This switch not save the information from the VTP server. This VTP just forwarding the information to switch the VTP, and that we will call transparent. As you can see, I make the lab VTP transparent in the middle. So if we configuration such as VLAN or any configuration, the configuration we will forwarding to client, but VTP transparent not saved. Okay guys, and last is VTP client. This is switch only retrieve and save the information VLAN who sent by VTP server and forwarded to by VTP transparent. We can add configuration for this VTP, but the configuration we will not send it go to the VTP server, as we know client is only receive. Okay, and for topology we will put the server in the first server in the right side or left side in the blue side. Okay guys, and transfer between VTP server and VTP client in the middle side, for client in the end or in the right side at the yellow. At the end, after VTP transparent, this right topology, if you wanna put the client and central, the configuration will not be passed by VTP transparent. Previously, I telling you the right configuration transparent in the middle. Okay, guys, do not forget it. Okay, first, we wanna go to the lab. Gonna click as usually. Click go to CLI. Okay, enable, goes to the terminal, configuration terminal. After this we wanna switchboard mode trunk, because we wanna connect it to other device, but in the same device is switch. Okay guys, as usually interface FI0/1, because as you can see on your screen, SI0/1 is goes to the transparent. Okay, after that switchboard mode trunk. After we will configuration switchboard mode trunk, exit, we wanna make VTP, just add VTP server. As you can see your screen, this is the command for we will config VTP server. Okay, sorry, we will see in module VTP mode server. I forget to add the mode VTP mode server. Okay, after we will comment VTP mode server, The system is remind we are the device mode already to VTP server, and after that we must configuration the domain name. Domain is just a name, but if you add the domain is different in other switch, that configuration we will not synchronize. As example, okay, we will add VTP domain in the module is VTP domain. Okay, VTP domain. I will add VTP domain for teacher. Okay, guys. Nah, if you add VTP domain in the server, name is teacher and the transparent is student and the client is principal, this configuration we will not synchronize. Why? Domain is different in other switch. Okay, I suggested you to make the domain is same for the other switch. Okay, after we configuration domain, we will call configuration for password. Okay, VTP password is, feel free if you wanna add password for alphabet or number. I will for number. Okay, this is done. So simply, okay guys, for the config VTP. Okay, forget it. For your information, this is configuration VTP mode. Okay, for server is sort VTP message. For client listen, server and client yes, no transfer, no create VLANs. Create VLAN, server yes can create and client do and not create VLAN, but transfer yes cannot VLAN, but in local significant only. Just for this transparent VLAN. The VLAN will not forwarding to server or client. Remember, server can, client no, the transparent yes. A transparent switch will not modify its database when update are received. Okay guys, we will continue the configuration. Go to transparent. Same, we wanna add switchboard mode trunk for the interface going to the server and going to the client. First is we will config with range. Okay guys, int, as you can know, interface range fa 0/1 until 2. Okay guys, switchboard mode trunk. If you don't know about range what, you can watch the videos before this in the intervillain or other video I make that. We'll exit and we'll config VTP mode transparent. Okay guys, don't forget it, transparent. After the transparent, don't forget for the VTP domain we must the domain we must same for VTP server and VTP client for synchronize teacher guys. Send to teacher, and the password as you can know have to same, because if not same I think we will that be not synchronized. VTP password 0. Okay, so you can see. Okay, after that we are going to the last or VTP client enable configuration terminal. Sorry, okay, sorry guys, the switch is error. Okay, we will continue again. Go to the configuration terminal. After that we are gonna make this mode trunk first. fa0/1 is switchboard mode trunk. After that we are going to exit and configuration VTP mode client for the last VTP. For VTP domain, don't forget it. VTP domain is teacher and VTP password is 098. Okay, as you can see, we all done for config the VTP. Okay, and this after that I want to make the VLAN at VTP server, and we will see the configuration will forwarding goes to the client but not saved in the transparent VTP. Okay, after this, previously I telling to you we will check the configuration should be synchronized at VTP client and not synchronized at VTP transparent. As you know, the VTP transparent is forwarding to the VTP client. Okay, I will make that VLAN in here for 5 VLAN. Okay, you feel free to make other VLAN. I wanna add VLAN 10, 20, 13, 14, sorry, and last VLAN is 5 here. Okay, we will check it up the VLAN at VTP server. Do show, don't forget it, do show VLAN. Okay, so you can see on your screen the VLAN is added at VTP server, VLAN 10, 20, 13, 14, and 15. This is, as we can know, this configuration is right, and we will check it up. It's transparent. Okay, the transparent should not be save the VLAN. Why? Because transparent is forwarding goes to the client but not save the configuration for the server forwarding. Okay, we're gonna check. Do show, sorry, do show VLAN. As you can see on your screen, the VLAN we config at the server will not be saved at transparent. As you can know, the transparent function is just forwarding, not save the information from the switch. Okay, we will check at the VTP client. Do show client and do show VLAN. Sorry. Now, as you can see, the VLAN in the client is added. Why? Because the server will forwarding goes to the client, but the transparent VTP not safe. As you can see, I added the VLAN 10, 20, 13, until 15 in the server, and the client will report that because server is and client will synchronize. As you can know, in the generally, client will receive the configuration but cannot edit the VLAN. Okay, I think the lab for today is done. I hope you will understand the lab. So thanks for the watching, guys. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments column, or you can text me on WhatsApp, or I will put the number in the column comment. And if you wanna I make a model, you can request it, and I will make and I will send to you. I hope you enjoy in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share to your other friends at learning Cisco and Microtech with me, Faras. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next time. Peace.